Welcome to my channel Learn with Fun and Creativity. Today we will discuss the official answer key given by MHSET Uni Pune. The official answer key is available. You can download the official answer key. For that you can see the previous video where the official answer key is available. Now let's discuss the answer key for Computer Science and Applications paper 2. Question number 1. The prefix form of a minus b divided by c into a divided by k minus l. The answer is C. Option C. Question number 2. Answer is B. Question number 3. Circular linked list. Answer is option B. Allocating CPU to resources. Question number 4. A wheel tree is used. Option C. To avoid the formation of skew trees. Question number 5. Basic operation on set, union, intersection, difference and subset. Option C. Question number 6. A is the adjacency matrix. Then G is option A, simple undirected graph. Question number 7. We are given the number 1 to 500 in a binary search tree. The sequence of nodes not to be examined is given. The option B is the correct answer. 3, 240 and so on. Question number 8. The technique that exploits the relationship between solution to the given instance. The option B is correct. Decrease and conquer. Decrease and conquer. Then question number 9 for FFT. Option D 1, 2 and 3. Question number 10. Option A. The problem not reducibility is option A. Satisfiability is not reducible to halting problem. Question number 11. It is on compiler. Option C is the correct answer. Both the places we have the cross compiler. Question number 12. The answer is option C. The high level and low level. Question number 13. Procedure activation record must contain space for arguments, space for local data and local temporaries. So the option D is the correct answer, 1 and 2 only. Question number 14. In some languages, the meaningful operation, the compiler is known as option D, static type checking. Question number 15. LL1 parsing uses an explicit stack. Option B. Question number 16. The answer is option C, partially solvable. Question number 17. Answer is B, 2 only. Two only. Then question number 18. You are given the context-free grammar as derives AA. So how many productions are there? After removing the all unit productions, you can note down these productions also. The answer is C option 10. Correct answer given is 10. 19 option C 1 and 3 only. The language is regular language if and only if it can be represented by a regular expression. C option is the correct answer. Then question number 20. Both LL1 and LR1. This given grammar is both LL1 and LR1. Question number 21. You have to solve this problem and what will be the propagation time? The answer is option B, 50 milliseconds. B option, 50 milliseconds. Question number 22. For the LAN, the correct answer is option B, 2 Mbps. 2 Mbps. Question number 23. Data during the data transmission process, you have to identify the layer, that is option C, physical layer. 24. In a leaky bucket used to control the liquid flow, the option C is the correct answer, 15 gallon. For 25, 10 to 10, so 10 cross 10, that is the 100. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer for 22 2 Mbps. For 21, 50 ms. Okay. 25, then 26. Which mechanism in transport layer supplies the multiple network connection? Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 27, you have to identify the correct href link for sending the mail. The answer is A option, mail to and then colon. Then question number 28, role of the data streamer in HDFS is option B, send a request to the name node to get a list of suitable data node. Question number 29, the answer is A, privileged and sensitive calls are automatically trapped to the hypervisor. Question number 30, the answer is TXT. 31, option B, negotiation. Question number 32, answer is option C, context. Question number 33, sensorless planning is also known as option A. Question number 34, inference engine, knowledge base. So the answer is option B, 1 and 3. Question number 35, which features the computer program to pass the Turing test? The answer is option C. Question number 36, it is based on the fuzzy logic. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 37, option A is the correct answer. Question number 38, we are given the two fuzzy relations R and S and max mean composition is to be calculated. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 39, option C is the correct answer, decrease or remain same. Question number 40, option B, passage of the training data through the network is the for 40. Then question number 41, we are given the network. The correct answer is B, 9 by 18. Question number 42, the correct answer for this, we are given the group code. And what is the received? Option C, 101100. Question number 43, answer is option C, 10. Question number 44, answer is A option 0, log. Question number 45, the answer is option C. Question number 46, again option C. Question number 47, option C is the correct answer. The C is the correct answer for 47. Next question number 48. Option D, simplex method approaches the solution. Question number 49. Option B, degenerate and optimal. Question number 50. The answer is 70 units. You can see here from this point 40 is going 30, so total 70. Check whether you are receiving here total 70 or not. So that is how you can calculate the final answer. Question number 51, answer is A, 4 megahertz. Question number 52, answer is B, minus 13. Question number 53, option C is the correct answer. 54, option A. And then for 55, for the T state, answer is C, 4 and 3. XLAT instruction is used to perform the character conversion. Option B. 57, option D, micro instruction. 58, option C, control structure. 59, option C. Question number 60, option C, 3 is the correct answer. Question number 61, option A. 62, option A, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 63, option B. Question number 64, option D, extension. 65, option C. 66, function templates, option A. 67, option C. 68, B, random scan monitors. 69, option D, translation, rotation, translation. Question number 70, option C, point table. 71, option B, natural join. 72, 1, weak entity is the extension. So the option B is correct for 1 and 2. Question number 73, option D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 74, B, select star from student where marks greater than or equal to 60 and marks less than or equal to 80. How come given B? Don't know. Question number 75, option A, drop. 75A. Question number 76, trigger can be fired, update, delete, insert. Option C, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 77, option B, 2 only. 78, option B. 79, option B, 64 by 128. 80, MongoDB was official driver and when compared to the relational, the option C is the correct answer. Question number 81, option D, 512, 512. 82, option A. 83, option D, sector table. 84, option C, set execution priority level. 85, option A, 4. 86, option C, S, D, E, G. 87, option D, 99.97%. Next question, 88, option C, 151. 89, option B, 335K. Question number 90, read system call returns total number of bytes A. Question number 91, option A, agile development model. Question number 92, option D, planning, design, coding, testing. 93, option B. 94, option A. 95, option A. 96, option A, basic COCOMO model. 97, 1, 2, 3, 4, option A is correct answer. 98, basic path testing is a white box testing technique. A. 99, option B, it is regression testing. And last question, it is option D, 2 and 3 only. So this is the official answer key. Detailed solutions for the important questions will be uploaded in the next videos. Stay tuned, subscribe the channel and click on the personalized bell icon for the UGC, NET, SET and GATE notifications only. Thank you.